Hi everyone, I'm Wendy, and today I'm showing you my family's favorite hot chocolate alternative. We have caffeine sensitivities in my family, and Carob is a great caffeine-free alternative to chocolate. So today I'm showing you how to make a hot Carob drink. As with all of my recipes, this one is also free of dairy and added sugar. It uses 4 whole food ingredients and comes together in about 5 minutes. You can adjust the recipe up or down to make as many cups as you like. Today, I'll be showing you enough to make 2 cups. You'll start with a small saucepan, and to that, add 2 cups of your favorite plant-based milk. Today, I'm using this cashew milk, but my family also loves to use soy milk in this. For the sweetener, I'm using 2 tablespoons of date sugar. Keep in mind that date sugar is made from whole, dried, and ground up dates, so it won't dissolve. We don't find the texture to be too gritty, but if you do, you could use date syrup or maple syrup instead for a completely smooth drink. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of carob powder. Of course, if you prefer, you could use cocoa or cacao powder, but carob is naturally sweeter, so you may need to add a little extra date sugar if you're using cocoa instead. Finally, this is optional, but my family loves to add a little bit of vanilla bean powder. I'm adding a teaspoon. You can omit this, or if you prefer other spices like cinnamon or nutmeg with your hot cocoa, feel free to add that to taste. Then simply whisk everything until it's well combined, and you'll warm this up on about medium heat, whisking occasionally. As soon as it starts to simmer, it's ready to go. Feel free to add your favorite hot cocoa toppings such as vegan marshmallows or peppermint sticks. I myself like to go simply with the plain cocoa. It's so creamy, rich, and decadent all on its own. There's no need for refined sugars or dairy to enjoy a delicious cup of cocoa. I hope you'll give this one a try, and if you're looking for another hot drink this winter, you can try my vegan golden milk. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.